In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unfollow accounts on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your accounts that you follow, and you can easily find the accounts that you follow by going to these two lines here. Tap on them and tap on following. Here you'll see all the accounts that you are currently following. To unfollow any of the accounts, just tap on the account like this. And if I tap on the name of the account to see more details, you can see I'm currently following this account. To unfollow it, just tap on following and you'll get this pop-up to unfollow. Confirm by tapping on unfollow here. And as you can see, the status has changed from following to follow. Should you want to follow the account again, you can still follow it. So that's how you can unfollow account on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.